The world celebrated the International Year of Pulses this last year in 2016. The declaration of the International Year of Pulses in 2016 by the United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization came soon after 2015, the International Year of Soils, and this emphasizes the close relationship between soil health and pulses. Pulses are a group of crops that belong to the family Leguminaceae, and these have certain unique characteristics, two of them very particular. The first one is that pulses are extremely rich in proteins. They contribute the highest vegetable protein to human diet and also to animal diet. The pulse protein or grain legume protein ranges from about 22 to 28%, while that in cereal grains range from 7 to 11%. And this protein comes at a very low cost of water that is used for the production of pulses. For example, for the production of 1 kilogram of pulse grain or grain legumes, it is required to have about 360 liters of water. Contrary to this, to produce 1 kilogram of beef, that is the animal protein contribution to human diet, it is required to have at least 15,000 liters of water. In addition to the high protein content that add to their nutritional value, they also have very high level of dietary fiber and complex carbohydrates. The second unique value of pulses is that they belong to the family of Leguminosae, which are a group of crops that are capable of fixing soil nitrogen. And this is very unique to pulses. They can fix atmospheric nitrogen in their roots, and this is the nitrogen that can be used for their growth. And therefore, including legume in a rotation with other crops adds value to the other crop. And because of the diversity of the pulse species, grain legumes are a variety of species that can be adapted to a variety of environmental conditions. And because of this fact, they are capable of fitting into cereal legume crop rotations and cereal legume mixtures all across the globe. And this thus has value for cropping systems and sustainable agriculture and sustainable food production across the globe. The CGR research program on grain legumes is a program that is essentially focused on production, consumption, and to some extent related to trade of grain legumes. The program also takes into consideration the gender aspect of production and consumption and trade, and it's a global partnership that is focused on developing nations in Africa, Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean. The program focuses on 8 grain legume crops, and they include chickpea, cowpea, common bean, faba bean, lentil, groundnut, soybean, and pigeon pea. And the research areas of focus for the program are diverse but very focused, keying in on the capacities or unique capabilities of legumes towards meeting the Sustainable Development Goals of reduced poverty, improved food security, improved nutrition, improved climate action, and also responsible production and consumption of food crops. The research focus of the program is on drought and heat tolerance, plant architecture for the breeding of machine harvestable varieties, herbicide tolerance, insect tolerance, tolerance to high aluminum and low P in several of the areas that are cultivating legumes, production of pigeon pea hybrids, and aflatoxin-free groundnuts. During the 4 years that the program has been in existence, there has been significant outputs and outcomes from the program, and these have actually built upon the previous research. Over the 4+ years that the program has been in existence, the program has delivered 256 new varieties, including hybrids, tested 7 agronomic management practices, participated in the sequencing of 4 legume genomes, managed close to 25,000 demonstration trials, hosted more than 1 million farmers in farmer field days, and delivered close to 600 ISI research publications. Continued momentum of the International Year of Pulses is critical for global food and agricultural sustainability. and globally coordinated programs such as the CGR research program on grain legumes are key to this.